Hello everyone, we're going to be working on division and then checking our division work with multiplicative inverse. I just want to make sure you are understanding what that means in case those words are not ringing a bell to you. It's also considered inverse operations is another way to look at it as well. The opposite of division is, I shouldn't say opposite, the inverse of division is multiplication, inverse of addition, subtraction. In other words, they technically are inverted of each other. So if we had, let's say, 126 divided by 9. We remember how to use partial quotients. So we know that, okay, well, we know we can definitely put 9 groups of 10. That's 90. We still have 36 left. But we know 9 times 4 is 36. There's none left. So we're saying the answer would be 14. Multiplicative inverse says that you're going to multiply 14 times 9. Well, we know 9 tens is 90. 9 fours, just using partial products. 136. Together that gives us 126. So that's the idea behind that. I'll give it to you another way. So looking at another way, what if we said we had 232 M&Ms we were going to share with 12 of our friends? Again, we think about partial quotients. So we have 232 M&Ms. Well, we know we can at least give every one of our friends 10 M&Ms. So that's only 120. That still gives us 112 left. Well, we could give 9 M&Ms. So that gets us to 108. We have 4 left over. So when we go back to think about inverse operations or checking our work, we're asking ourselves, well, 19. Let's think what I just did. So I'm using partial products. I broke 12 into 10 plus 2. So 19 tens is 190. 19 twos is 38. And we still have 4 more left over. So when we add that all out, we're left with 232, which is exactly where we started with. So again, inverse operations is a nice way, and again, using partial products allows me to break down the numbers the same as I did partial quotients. So if this gives you some structure as you're working on this section, enjoy.